Alright folks, it's more Red 3. We've moved back to Belmont. We got NSMO train 212 coming northbound through downtown Belmont, North Carolina at Main Street.
212, advanced approach, South Belmont now.
And NS Shuttle District Mainline. After this, we're going to move over to Mount Holly to the NS Shuttle District Mainline. I'm to the CS6 Charlotte sub to get a coal train. And that's probably going to be it. It's time to head home. That was NSMO train 212 heading northbound through downtown Belmont, North Carolina. Now so there's the main line with the Illinois Terminal Heritage trailing third. Did not know that was going to be on there. Anyway, thank everybody for watching the video. God bless. We're going to go to the CS6 Charlotte sub and wait on this coal train and then probably call it a day.